Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to schedule Shopify discounts. It is easier than you think. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, what we need to do is you need to head over to your you can say like orders, and here you can see we have actually not your orders in your products. So here, as you can see, we got our products, and below that we have our gift cards. We simply need to head over to gift cards, and from here you can see we have different type of options. Either we can create a gift card or add a gift card product. So to create a gift card, you are going to be clicking onto this option, and then what we need to do is we are going to be simply entering in here our gift code, and then we have our initial value, and make sure you put both of these. Then we have our expiry date, and you can see make sure to fill all of this, and once you do, you are going to be scheduling your discounts. So if you want to simply schedule it, basically this is not the schedule, this is just the creation process. To schedule this, let's just leave this page, and we are going to be installing an integration from the top, and that is going to be it. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.